And number three, advanced Amazon Masterclass. This we have recently launched. We started this from the month of March. This 2021 March, we have started an advanced training program. This training program is called Advanced Amazon Masterclass. It is a monthly training program. And this is how it works. There will be 2 live sessions in a month. Normally, it will be on Wednesday. Yeah, second week of Wednesday and the third week of Wednesday. Normally, we will have 2 sessions, one for the training session, another one for the Q&A session. Upcoming classes will be announced inside a special Telegram group, which is assigned for, which we have created for advanced Amazon Masterclass. There is a separate Telegram group. Whoever signs up for this advanced Amazon Masterclass, you will be joining that group. We will be announcing the date there. All these are going to be live sessions. These are live classes, not recorded ones. These are live classes. You will be able to jump on your Zoom sessions. Yeah, this is what it is. What we have covered so far in this monthly advanced mastermind training. We started this on March. In the month of March, we have covered advanced Amazon ad optimization to achieve your target ACOS, 5 advanced ad campaign you can implement and increase your revenue, and Amazon brand registry. What is Amazon brand registry? How to go about it? All of those things we have covered in the month of March. In April, we have covered how to rank any product on first page of Amazon for any keyword, and how to get 100 plus reviews in the next 30 days. And we have also talked about how to make 5 lakhs per month selling your Amazon product using free traffic from YouTube without you making the video. Yeah, all these things we have covered in the month of April. And in the month of May, we have talked about how to build a huge email list of your Amazon buyers relatively in a short period of time. And we have also talked about how to maximize revenue per customer in your Amazon e-commerce business using email marketing strategy, and how you can implement my 5 active email marketing strategies to increase lifetime value of the customer, and so much more on we have covered on in the month of May. And we have also, in this month's masterclass, we have talked about Amazon e-commerce sales funnels. What are all the funnels you can build for your Amazon business? And we have also talked about how to run Facebook ads for your Amazon brand. What are all the strategies we can use for your Amazon brand? So much things we have covered this month. Every month it is going to be a new training, right? We have started this from the month of March. Most of you might have seen the screenshot from Rajesh Kumar from Chennai. He started this business last year. In the month of January, he shared this screenshot from 20th January 2021 to 20th February 2021. For the 1 month, he sold over 7,56,000 rupees. This was in the month of January 2021. I just spoke to him today. Just today, I just spoke to him. He shared this screenshot today, June 24th. Yeah, this is from the month of 24th May 05. That is 24th May 2021 to 24th June 2021. That is today. I just got this screenshot from him today. In the last 1 month alone, he crossed over 38 lakhs in revenue. He started with one product. Again, now he has 2 more products. Now he has 3 products. He was able to scale his business to the next level. Yeah, he signed up for this advanced monthly mastermind class. And this program used to be a monthly subscription plan for 3,999. This used to be a monthly subscription plan. Due to high number of requests for one-time payment, I have launched one-time payment now. The stuff you're going to learn in this masterclass is going to be a real gold. Every month there will be new advanced training. And I am planning to do this masterclass for at least 6 months. We have already covered 4 months. I am planning to do this for 6 months. If you pay 3,999 per month for 6 months, that will be around 24,000 rupees. Yeah, if you pay 3,999 per month for 6 months, it is going to be around 24,000 rupees. Even if you pay 24,000 rupees for this particular program, it is going to give you so much value. Yeah, you can ramp up your sales like anything. But I have a special offer today. You can start this advanced masterclass for the one-time payment of 9,999 instead of 24,000 rupees, and attend all the upcoming masterclasses. And you also have access to all the previous months, all the 4 months, previous months recording. You have immediate access. You just need to jump in and you just need to watch and you just need to implement it. And instead of 24,000 rupees for 6 months, you're going to pay only one-time payment of 9,999. And here is the link. If you want to sign up for this, here is the link, amancentral.com/OT. Yeah. And so how this works, once you sign up for today, you are entitled for all the upcoming master classes and all the previous recordings. Date and time will be announced inside the Telegram group. You will get access to all the recordings, lifetime access. You can watch anytime you want. And once you click on that link, you will be taken to a InstaMojo payment link like this. You just need to click on it. Once you make the payment, you will be redirected to a Telegram group. You just need to join the Telegram group, and you will also receive an email with all the accesses. Now, this question comes, who this training program is for? Just now we signed up for Amazon Selling Mastery. Now you are trying to sell another course. I'm not interested, right? But see, this training program is for anyone who wants to take their e-commerce business to the next level. This is not for everyone. If you have, this is for, preferably you should have already launched a product on Amazon. You should already launched a product on Amazon, at least getting 5-10 orders a day. That is when you need to think about this training program. This is not for everyone. Yeah. Normally people ask me, why don't you teach everything in one go? Why are you charging different prices and different trainings? The point is, I cannot teach you everything at one go. See, if you want to learn maths, first you need to learn 1 2 3, right? There will be standard first to standard 10th, and then undergraduation, and then post graduation. It is more advanced stuff. If you have not launched your product, this is not required. Is that clear? Type clear in the chat box. Yeah, in the chat, I think somebody has already started. See, this is not for everyone. Yeah, if you have launched, for launching your product and getting orders, everything we have inside our Amazon Selling Mastery. Once you have launched it, once you're getting sales, now we wanted to ramp up the sales to 100 or 200 orders per day and literally grow the business. That is where this advanced training program comes in. Yeah, so that is about it. Cool. So here again, instead of 24,000, you can sign up for this 9,999, and I'm going to give you 3 minutes to take action, to take questions about this advanced master program. If anybody have questions related to advanced master program, please ask me now. Otherwise, we will be yeah. Shaheen says I made the payment, and Mary says I have the payment. Okay, awesome. If you have any questions, you can ask me now, and I'll just turn on the timer. I will just give you 3 minutes. Countdown timer. I will just give you 3 minutes to answer questions about this, and then we will go to the regular questions. Okay, I'm not able to join Telegram group. I have messaged you a number before. Yeah, just scroll through the chat box and find a number start from +44 and message that number on Telegram. You will be added to the Telegram group. For advanced program, can I join through? I am searching for product. See, if you're searching for product, you have not yet launched it. But you don't need to sign up. But if you're worried, if the prices are going to go high, I'm going to increase the prices in the upcoming months. If you have the budget for signing up now and taking the courses later, of course, you can sign up now. Sudhir is saying, guys, I have joined this program and I am really happy. I look forward for this weekly class to clear my doubts. Sudhir, please post that to panelists and attendees. Can you please elaborate how to deal with Alibaba duty issues? Somandra, please keep all your questions, Somandra. I'm going to take your questions in just 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, the prices, Mary is asking, prices will go high. Yeah, prices are I'm going to increase the price. We started with 2,500 rupees per month, and then we bumped it to 3,999. Now we have 9,999. Soon I'm going to increase the price. Yeah, Mukul says, what is the curriculum? Please watch this replay. You will get the replay. We have already covered 4 months. We have covered tons of things. It is going to be a mind-blowing training. You will definitely love it. I can guarantee you that. Yeah, Neil Kamal. Kavita, please post it. What do you call panelists and attendees? Yeah, I'm going to Himanshu Sarma. I'm going to give the question link in a moment. Okay. Okay, but I'll be giving you the Q&A link shortly. Just give me a minute. Okay, where to register? Here is the link. You can register now. Alvin Abraham. Okay, awesome. I think we can. Shaheen says already made the payment. You will get the access. If not, please message this number on Telegram. This is the number +44 795 668 668 3393. Awesome. Cool. Now, as I said, the prices will be increased very soon. As long as this link is live, where you are able to get this at this price, please jump in. Do not wait. And now let's move on to today's Q&A.